Some World War II weapons were so strange, they sound like science fiction. First, the Flammenwerfer 35, a German flamethrower that could shoot flames over 25 meters. Soldiers feared it, but it was heavy and dangerous to carry. Next, the bat bombs, an American plan to attach tiny incendiary devices to bats and release them over cities. The idea was wild, and luckily, it never fully went into action. Finally, the Goliath tracked mine, a remote-controlled mini-tank packed with explosives meant to destroy enemy fortifications. It was basically a drone decades before drones existed. WW2 wasn't just tanks and soldiers. Some of these weapons were insane, and history shows how far people would go to gain an advantage. Stay tuned for more shocking facts from the war.